Matsukaze LED a product you choose because it's safe. Matsukaze LED is characterized by the fact that it uses LED light, enabling to shorten the time until complete hardening of the glue. By shortening the time during which volatile substances, irritating materials, accompanying the hardening reaction until complete curing of the glue appear, it is possible to reduce the risk of troubles around the eyes. We also strive to provide beauty salons with products and information allowing them to offer safe services on the base of evidence data. Let us present now the various special tools used in the Matsukaze LED system. In addition to tools commonly adopted in beauty salons, the special tools used in the Matsukaze LED system are the Matsukaze LED glue, the LED lamp, the eye protection glass mask, the UV protecting eye patch sheet and the glue plate cover. We will now explain the characteristics of each of these items. The characteristics of the Matsukaze LED glue, compared to the moisture hardening type, can be summarized in 3 words: best durability, best speed, best product of all time, drying time into seconds, complete hardening into 3 seconds. LED lights with wavelengths ranging from 365 to 460 nanometers can be used. In the case of salons having already adopted LED lamps from other companies, if the light is in the 365–460 nanometers range, it is possible to use the Matsukaze LED glue. The product is available into colors, transparent and black, for different visual aspects. Using our company's patented technology method for testing the bonding strength of eyelash extensions, we evaluated the durability of extensions applied with the Matsukaze LED glue. The results of these tests show that the peeling strength has been increased by about 25% compared to the conventional moisture hardening type glue. As a consequence, it has been possible to obtain an average durability of about 5 to 6 weeks. Open the aluminum bag, then take out the glue and reed pin that are inside. Like for the non-photo curing conventional glue, it is important to shake the pack at least 60 times before use for both the black and transparent Matsukaze LED glues. For the first utilization, perforate the glue nozzle using the red pin. Gently press the main part of the bottle. When glue does not flow anymore from the nozzle, remove the glue that has deposited on the nozzle. Put the cap back tightly and place the bottle in the aluminum bag in order to avoid light and prevent the deterioration of the glue. Since the LED light is emitted in a stable wavelength range centered on 411 nanometers ± 15 nanometers, hardening occurs in only 2 seconds. The positions of both the arm and the light-emitting head can be adjusted, allowing for an optimal control of the light direction. Light is emitted only when the pedal is pressed, ensuring a smooth application according to the salon environment and the speed of the eyelash specialist. Take out the following parts: 1 adapter, 2 extension cord, 3-foot switch, for lamp body, 5 stand. Then proceed to the assembly of the lamp body. There are 4 locations to be assembled. Verify that all the parts are tightly fastened. In case there is some slack in the cord, pull it from the bottom and adjust. Connect the for lamp body male side and the to extension cord female side. Insert after checking the orientation of the semicircular part. Then turn the socket to fasten the connection. In the same way, connect the to extension cord male side and the third foot switch female side after checking their orientation. Turn the socket to fasten the connection. Finally, connect the 3-foot switch and the 1 adapter. Then carry out the electrical test. Plug into the outlet. Press the foot pedal and verify that the LED light is emitted. During the application of eyelash extensions, you must always check that the distance between the lamp and the customer is 15 centimeters. For this purpose, it is convenient to prepare a 15 cm long guide. As an example, we present here the method using mizuhiki, a traditional decorative string. Measure 15 cm and fold the string at this point. Make a ribbon shape with the string and wrap the remaining part around the center. It is convenient to have some firmness and softness at the same time. Finally, stick a tape on the extremity of the LED lamp. Measure 15 centimeters, plus the length needed for the fixation on the lamp. In order to reduce the burden on the eyes of the eyelash specialist who is exposed to effects of the light emitted by the blue lamp, the Matsukaze LED system includes a glass mask made by Yamamoto Kogoku Company, which is state-of-the-art. We carried out tests using a special spectrometer. The results show that the blue light cut rate is of 99.9%. This mask, which is of the goggle type, can be worn upon glasses. During application, the light emitted by the blue lamp enters the customer's eyes through the eyelids and can easily be dazzling. This is the reason why we recommend the use of a UV protecting eye patch sheet. After taping the upper eyelid, the UV protecting sheet is put on the eyelid up to the root of the upper eyelashes, blocking the dazzling light during application. The glue plate cover is an item intended to limit the hardening of the glue put on the plate during application. In addition to the LED light itself, the LED hardening glue is easily subject to the effects of room lighting and sunlight, and hardening can start earlier than with a conventional glue. This cover with a special shape has been developed in order to minimize the effect of light on the glue and to make the application easier. We present here the way to assemble the glue plate cover. Fold the cover at 3 locations. Then slide the handle part into the slit. That's all. Check that no light is entering through the overlapping parts. Since special tools are used for the application of eyelash extensions with the Matsukaze LED glue, we prepared a consent form to be signed before the application. Please use it in order to be able to receive the application with both the customer and the eyelash specialist in a worry-free state of mind. This consent form can be downloaded for free from our site. Like for conventional eyelash extensions, undertapes and upper tapes are used. Remove the protection sheet and peel off the release paper. Cover the upper eyelid, putting the rounded side up to the root of the eyelashes. The point is really to cover the eyelid up to the eyelash root. Approach the light up to 15 centimeters from the customer's face, using the mizuhiki string as a guide. Once the distance is measured, fix the mizuhiki string upwards with a tape. It is possible to adjust the end part of the LED lamp. Adjust it so that the light comes at the center of the eyelid. Put the glue plate in the glue plate cover to protect it from the effects of the LED light, the room lighting, etc. At this time, keep the dominant hand side and the practitioner side open so that application will not be hindered. The quantity of glue used has an influence on the durability. There is no big difference if you are buying a given quantity, but if the quantity is too small, the durability will reduce. For this reason, always keep in mind to use a quantity of glue larger than usual. This will guarantee a stable durability. First of all, the eyelash specialist puts her eye protecting glass mask before the application. Then each eyelash extension, one by one, is exposed to the LED light during 2 to 3 seconds. For removing the Matsukaze LED glue, we use the Matsukaze Rose Fragrance Remover. Put a slightly moistened non-woven gauze under the eyelashes, and apply the remover on the part of the extension you want to remove. Wait for about 3 minutes, then rub slightly with a micro brush, etc. Using the Matsukaze Rose Fragrance Remover, it is possible to remove the Matsukaze LED glue without any difficulty. Thank you for watching this video on the Matsukaze LED glue and equipment. In order to enable you use Matsukaze LED in a safe and the further development of your salon, the Matsukaze LED Customer Center is also organized to quickly answer the various questions of the customers. If you have any questions, please contact us.